Let me hand you yours as well.
Oh, thanks.
Here you are.
It looks like a lot, but it's a small book.
Yeah. All right. And the waterworks are going to come back on. Okay. Hi, love. I'd like to start and say I was hesitant to give this speech. Not because I didn't have anything to say, but because it made me realize how vulnerable, sensitive, and nervous it made me feel to tell you this. Even after almost 9 years, I get butterflies when I talk about our love, nervous when I write you letters, and cry when I speak my heart to you. I wrote big, so there's a lot of page turning.
I'm just impressed he can read his hand.
Melissa, every day has been a blessing with you. You have brought so much happiness, joy, and love into my life. Without trying, you make me smile, laugh, and feel loved. And as someone who has stood next to you for nearly a decade, I've treasured every second of it. I found that the more I grew to love you, the more I realized how incomplete I was without you. You are my better half. You're kinder, smarter, funner, and funnier, and more personable than I. You have a magnetic personality that makes everyone want to be close to you, and I am truly lucky you chose me to be the closest. As your husband, I know how blessed I am to have and to hold you. Next page. By being yourself, you radiate positivity, encouragement, and motivation to everyone around you. This is one of my many favorite things about you. How effortlessly brilliant you are and always have been. I've tried to reflect some of your brilliance in my own life, but you know better than most that when we're together, I melt in your presence, rely on you, and get quite miserable without you. Because of how truly amazing you are, I've spent the past 8 years, 9 months, and 18 days trying to become the man you deserve. As your husband, I will never stop trying for you. That I will always be there for you, and that I love you with all my heart. I love you, Melissa Anna Synovic.
You know, we were nervous about Nick doing this, but I'm nervous to follow you now. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay. Woo! Okay. My turn. Oh, I love you. Okay. Nick, my sweet boy. I often think to myself, how did I get so lucky? How did I get it so right? The boy who I fell in love with at 16 years old is now the man I get to marry 9 years later at 24. Someone who I couldn't have picked better if I tried. I've come to only one answer, which is that there's someone else who picked you for me, who led you to make an impression on my brother, who told me about you. Someone who's been able to get to know and learn your heart since 2011, and who decided you'd be the right man who can love me, protect me, lead me, and provide for me in place of himself. We are a match made in heaven because we have my dad up there who wholeheartedly, I know, made that match himself. I am the happiest version of myself standing in front of you today as your wife, and it is the greatest privilege I will ever hold. Let me tell you why. Nick, you are my role model. I have such fierce admiration and respect for you as a person and will never get over how blessed I feel to be the girl who gets to experience all of you. You are a leader, both strong and humble. You always know what to do, and I am constantly in awe of how your brain works. You are mature, loyal, and hardworking. You are reliable, patient, gentle, and kind. Your actions speak louder than your words, which is impressive because as an author, you are damn good with your words. You are the best teammate and truly my equal. I can do anything with you by my side. You're funny, witty, and effortlessly handsome. I love the way you care so deeply and laugh until you cry. The way you always sing the songs at church, can talk to anyone, and can recite the most random movies and TV shows line for line. I don't understand how. More important than anything, you are my best friend and my favorite person to do everything and nothing with. As your wife, I promise to stand by you when life is rewarding and stand even closer when it is challenging. I promise to choose you every day and to live life so I can be someone worth choosing too. I promise to see you, listen to you, support you, honor you, to ensure you always know you are enough and that there is nothing you will ever have to endure alone. I promise to never stop making stupid but extremely clever puns and to be a great cellmate in Joker jail for the rest of our lives. To always make sure there are lots of bubbles when I scramble your eggs. Thank you, Mr. Synovic, for that. And to always pretend to understand when you talk about your various tech stuff. If I could explain what our love feels like with one example, it's this. On the days that I'm up later than you doing I don't even know what, I sneak into bed while you're deep asleep. You sense that I'm there and always whisper, I love you so much, while still asleep. A moment I always remember, but that you don't by morning. Our love is so deeply imprinted our souls, so unconditional, that it's just an unconscious thing. Loving you is like breathing air, like knowing the sun will rise tomorrow, and like knowing that 42 is the answer to life, the universe, and everything. It's the easiest thing I've ever done, and it's all that I know. You're the best part of every day, the man I cannot wait to spend the rest of my life with, the best father to our future children, and the love of my life. One more. Sorry, it's long. Nick, the greatest gift of my life is having grown up with you and knowing that I will get to grow old with you too. I have not stopped loving you since I was 16 years old. Not for one day, not for 1 hour, not for a single second, and I promise that I never will. From my first love to my forever love, with everything I have, you are simply the best. I love you. That was way easier than I thought it would be.
We should put speechwriter on things you're better at. That was really good. All right. Kiss. Thank you. Yes. Thank you, David.
So we're gonna cut the cake now.